back. You roll, you open.
Because I get to roll the die.
Oh, okay. You roll, you open.
Okay, here we go.
Woo! Okay.
11.
11.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
And open this pack.
Go ahead. Make sure it's on camera. See, YouTube's fun.
We've got Satyr Wayfinder, Ferex Giant, Retraction Helix,
I'm gonna try and upload these in HD.
Great Heart, Weight of the Underworld, Elite Skirmisher, Mortal's Resolve, Asphyxiate, Ochrone Skyguard, Strike Harpy, Archetype of Aggression. Okay, this is our rare. Pinnacle of Rage, Fated Configuration, and a Foil Sphinx's Disciple.
Oh, good. Oh, Cat Soldier. Perfect.
Wow! Cat Soldiers!
That's gonna go with my Brimons.